Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I want to show you how to make another surprise fold drawing. And for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Godzilla versus Mechagodzilla surprise fold. If you guys have any other ideas for some new surprise folds, definitely let me know and I'll try my best to draw them all. But thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy this video. Now to start off with our Godzilla versus Mechagodzilla surprise fold, we need to get our paper ready. So the first thing we want to do is take our paper and fold it in half like a birthday card. So you just fold it, line it up, and make a nice little fold down. That way you have this birthday card shape. Next, I'm going to take this and I want to fold this top flap onto here. So I'm going to take this and I'm just going to line it up. I'm going to press it down and just fold it. That way I can open it up this way, or I can turn it and open it up this way. Now I want to begin by drawing Godzilla and Mechagodzilla on here. And we have to fit both of them on here because they're going to be facing each other. So I'm going to start over here with Godzilla. So what I want to do is I'm going to start here, and we're just going to make a little line that's going to come down, and then it's going to go up like a check mark. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down and then up for the eye. Let's draw a long line that goes over and comes down behind the eye. Next, we'll add a couple little lines right here for some details. I also want to add a little line or two right by the eye. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line back to here. Then I'm just going to bring it down at an angle with another line back here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and then it's going to angle down. Starting here, I'm going to make a little curved line for the nose. And we'll draw a little line right here. Now, starting here, I'm going right underneath the fold, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down, and then I'm going to bring it in. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down for the chin, and I'm going to bring it over. Then I'll draw a little line that comes up. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just comes down for the neck. And I'm going to make a little line that comes over here. Next, we're going to just add a few little curved lines on here for his scales. And starting back here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and down, and then up for one of his spikes. Now that I have Godzilla drawn, I want to start with Mechagodzilla over here. So to begin with Mechagodzilla, we want to once again start with the eye. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to do that same thing. I'm just going to make that check mark shape that goes down and then up. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes over, and then I'm going to bring it straight up. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes up. And then right here above the eye, I'm going to make another line that goes over. Then we'll draw a line to connect it. I'm going to draw a little line that comes up with a few little lines coming down. Right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes out, and then it's going to come down. Then I'm going to draw a little line over here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. I'll draw a line that goes straight across. Then I'm going to bring it up here. Right here, I'm going to make a little square shape for one of his teeth, and another one right here for another tooth. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes down. It's going to go over and up. I'll draw another line right here that goes down, over, and up, and one more here, down, over, and up. And then right here, I'm going to make a little line that comes across right to here at the bottom. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. Then I'm just going to bring it up to here. Next, I'll add a little oval shape with a small little curve in it. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then over, and another one that goes down and over. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then it comes over. Make another one down and over, and one more that just goes down. Right here, I'm just going to draw a line that comes down, and I'll make a little line that goes up over to here at the top of the nose. And then right up here, I'm gonna make a little line that goes up and over for one of the spikes. So now that we have our two faces drawn, we need to open it up. Once we have it open, we see that we have two halves of our two characters right now. Now what we need to do is begin adding all the details inside. I'm going to begin right up here, and I'm going to make a line that's just going to go up a little bit higher. And that way I won't run into the line down here, because I want to make sure I don't see anything when it's closed. Starting here, I'm going to draw this line down underneath the fold. And starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over, and then it's going to come up a little bit. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes straight down. Then I'm just going to curve it over and connect to here. Over here in the back of the mouth, we'll draw a little curved line with a few little lines right inside of here. Now for the teeth. I'm going to begin by just making a couple pointy little teeth on the top, and then we'll make a few pointy teeth on the bottom as well, some little triangles. Also right here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down. It's going to come up and then back for the tongue. Now, for Mechagodzilla, what I'm going to do is, starting right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. It's going to go over and then up for a tooth. And we'll do the same thing for his other teeth, down, over, and up. We'll also do the same thing here. I'm going to go up, over, and then down. And one more here, up, over, and then down for the teeth. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw this line down a little bit, and then I'm going to make a little line that comes over, and then I'll go up to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up at an angle and then over. And right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down and then over to here. Next, I'll make a straight line that comes down to connect. Now, inside of here, I want to make the two little kind of like atomic blasts coming at each other. So starting here with Godzilla, I'm just going to draw a little line that comes straight out, and another one here. Then I'm just going to make kind of like this wavy little bumpy line right here for his blast. Now, starting here with Mechagodzilla, I'm going to draw a line that comes straight across. And I'll do the same thing over here. Now, his blast, I want it to be a little bit different, so I'm going to make his more pointy, like this. That way it just looks a little bit more mechanical, not so realistic or natural. And there you go. There is your drawing of your Godzilla versus Mechagodzilla surprise fold. When you have it all closed up, you have the two Godzilla characters just kind of doing a little face-off against each other. But as soon as you open it up, you have both their mouths open shooting their atomic blasts at each other. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.